Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm just gonna be going over what I've been doing and how the strategy that I've been telling you about, how that's been working out. So the strategy I've been using is basically just selling puts. The goal is just to get about 1%, and I started this about let's see, May 26th is where I first started. 19,131, and right now I'm at 20,065. So it's been about 2 weeks, and this is the start of the third week. From May 26th to today, it's a 4.8%, but discounting today, it's been at 2.25%, which is on track. We're on track of getting 1% every week. And for this week, what I've decided to do is sell puts for American Airline. I saw American Airline skyrocketed the other day, so when you see stocks skyrocketing or making big moves, that's when that's like high volatility, which increases premium. And I saw a good opportunity for 3 weeks out for the June 26th expiration date, and I got in at $15 put, and I got 14 of them for a total amount of, let's see, $1,484 for the next 3 weeks. So almost $500 per week, which is way over the 1%, more than 2% also. So I think I did good on that. And I love the strategy because if, say, American Airlines does go down and hits 15, American Airlines has lots of volume, so then I'll be able to start selling calls also. And even if it goes down to like maybe 13 or 12, I'll still be able to sell calls, and I'll be able to still make quite a bit of money per week. And whenever American Airlines does recover, which it should, because it's 52-week high, or before all this that's been going on, it was at $30, and I don't expect it to go back exactly to $30 really fast. Even if it goes back to 20, that's a $5 gain for me. And even if it takes a year, I'll still be making good money weekly from selling premiums of American Airline, which, as long as I can get that 1% every week, I'll be fine. And the thing that I've been doing, and the way that you can probably perfect my strategy of selling puts, getting about 1% per week, which is relatively safe, which is about more than an 85% chance of profitability usually, is instead of just going all in on one, selling puts on just one company, maybe you should sell puts on 2 or 3 or 4 of them companies, so you can diversify and not just get stuck. Because if I do get stuck on one, if one of my trades do get executed, if I say if it does hit AAL, it does hit 15, then all my money would be in AAL, and I won't be able to buy anything else until I exit out of AAL. And I won't sell out of AAL unless it's for a profit. So if it ever does decide to go up again, we will never know, right? So it's better to separate your positions into 3 or 4 positions. So if you ever get stuck on one, your put does get executed, you'll be able to exit out of it. And yeah, so far so good. As long as I can keep that 1% per week, we'll be able to make good cash money for as long as the stock market keeps going up and keeps getting more overvalued, in my opinion, until I start seeing deals. I won't be buying anything. American Airlines at $20 right now, which I don't think it should be hitting $20 so quickly. And like I said, it's better just to sell puts and get the premium while you wait on stocks to come back to reality and get valued correctly. Aurora Cannabis $15.96. I wouldn't be buying this. Maybe even at 12, I wouldn't even be buying this. And Tesla almost hitting 1,000, which I know Tesla's future growth is insane. I believe this company is going to be worth so much, $1 trillion company, but I don't think right now Tesla should be worth this much. And I probably wouldn't be buying it even at $700 or even $600, honestly. But if the market just keeps continuing going up, I will eventually get back in. But I won't be buying thousands of dollars. I'll only be buying like $100 at a time. I keep stacking cash as much as I can. And these are the ones I want to be getting into: Aurora Cannabis, Tesla, Uber, Square, Shopify, Nvidia, Facebook. Those are the main companies I want to get into, and that's all. And if once I start seeing good deals or stuff, buying heavy, I still haven't seen anything good. Still haven't seen anything that I really want to put money into, not even a little bit, not even $100 at a time. I just feel like it's too expensive right now. And if the market does decide to correct itself again, I'll be ready for it. I will have money on the side as long as with my strategy it doesn't get triggered. So I have 3 weeks, as long as American Airlines can stay above $15 until June 26th, I'll be able to do good. And I'll just keep doing that. And hopefully we can keep making more than $200 per week. Keep increasing our percentages up so we can grow our portfolio back to all-time highs. And we're quite a ways away from all-time highs. Because our all-time high would be at 30, almost 30, basically 39,000. 39,000. So let's just say we're about halfway there. So let's see how long it takes to get back there. Hopefully we can get back there by, I don't know, maybe the end of the year, maybe, hopefully. Depending how much money we can make from these put options that we're doing. Anyways, so far the strategy has been working out. It's only been 2 weeks. And we're on our 3rd week. 1% is the goal. I keep depositing, putting as much money as possible into the stock market. And if the market does decide to crash, we'll be ready for it, and we should be able to capitalize heavy on it. Goal is to get back to 25,000 so we can go to 50K and then 100K as fast as possible. Please like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, guys, and let's get this money. Let's keep it going. $200 per week is the goal now. $200 per week. Let's get that. I want to get to $500 per week, and after $500, I'm just gonna stack cash and not risk as much money. Stack cash. $500 a week is the goal for this year, and I'm gonna keep doing. Keep working as much as I can. If I show you good deals, if I see any good deals, I'll let you know what I'm doing. But right now, what I'm doing is American Airlines, and I'm trying to get 1%, about 1%. So let's see. A good deal would probably be 15 or 15.5 right now. A high percentage chance. $15 put, so it's 100. You're risking $1,500 for $15. You see, that's a good 1% gain. These two, and you get a high chance of profitability, which is good. And 1% per week, if you can get it for consistently for the whole year, that's a 50% gain, which is very, very good. At a freaking 90% chance, that's really good. Let's look at another one, Aurora Cannabis. I love Aurora Cannabis for a long term. It spiked up a lot today. I wish it would have just kept going down. I would have loved it for it to hit $12 and then $11, and then I would have bought some. But it went up today, and a good deal for Aurora Cannabis would probably be 13, 12. A little bit under 1%. That's fine. 13 if you want to get a little more risky, but you get a higher premium. 12 or $13 is what I would be buying every week, and what I would be doing is not risk 100% into one trade. That's the only thing that I'm doing, but I'm more risky with it. But that's the only thing that I would recommend if you're a little less riskier than me. That if you want to sell puts out, I'd suggest to not put all your money into one thing like I'm doing. I'm just riskier, It all depends on you. I'm just saying what I would be doing if I was, like, say, because I'm younger and it doesn't really matter to me. But let's say if I was older and I was more, needed this money a little bit more, then I wouldn't be putting all my money into one thing. But that's all, guys. That's just a little update for you. I'll probably update you every single week on Friday to show you the different moves that I make, or when I do execute a trade, I'll probably make a video. But that's it. Drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next one.